Firmly grip the bottom of the dustbin cover and pull outward to open the dustbin. Remove the used dust bag and discard it. Align the clip on the new dust bag with the slot in the dustbin and press it in until fully secured. Align the top of the dustbin cover, press the bottom inward until it clicks into place. Unplug the base station. Remove the robot from the base. Use both hands to remove the cleaning tray from both sides. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry. Be sure to dry the electrode sensors thoroughly. Use a cloth to wipe and clean the cleaning tray. Reinstall the filter and cleaning tray. Place the robot back on the base station and connect to power. Remove both the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. Pour out any remaining clean and dirty water. Dirty water tank should be rinsed and cleaned thoroughly. Clean water tank should be refilled up to 2 to 3 centimeters below the max line. Be sure both tanks are securely reinstalled after cleaning. Open the robot's top cover. Remove the dustbin. Empty the dustbin contents. Replace the filter if needed. Reinsert the dustbin and close the top cover. The dustbin and filter can be washed with water, but must be completely air-dried before reinstalling. Turn the robot over. Remove the mop plate. Tear off the used mop and replace it with a new one. Reattach the mop plate securely to the bottom of the robot. Turn the robot over. Press the latch and lift up the main brush cover. Remove the main brush. Wipe the main brush cover and clean the brush itself. Remove the side brush and take off any tangled hair. After cleaning, reinstall it properly. Press down on the main brush cover until it clicks into place. Pull the universal wheel upward to remove it. Clean off any hair and debris from the wheel. Align it with the latch and reinstall it securely. Use a soft cloth to clean the following: lidar sensor, camera, edge sensors, cliff sensors, charging contacts.